This Mother's Day, we used the FORTIS Plasma CNC to cut this rusted steel artwork of a mother and daughter. The whole process took around 5 minutes. The high-speed motion system and collision detection make it both fast and safe, built for serious cutting. It's fast, precise, and built to handle real projects. Whether you're making art, signs, or structural pieces, the FORTIS Plasma CNC gets it done. If you'd like to start creating and turn your ideas into reality, head to makerstore.com.au.